So that's what we are on when it comes to our YouTube analysis. So on YouTube, we are having the technical analysis on YouTube. So if you're on TikTok and you wish to go and be live with me on YouTube, you can go at Gbpusd, whereby we are doing all this analysis live and clear. All the necessary technicals. We are having this live from the next more 30 minutes. For the next more 30 minutes, and after those minutes, it will be done and dusted. So I was still analyzing this Gbpusd and telling you why I had to consider this, or at what point do I consider the Asia sessions. So you see here, you can get TradingView Premium. So it is very good for live streaming. So why did I take this trade? Even after seeing what was on 3 months, I always use this quarter, because if I get a quarter bounce, I always expect another quarter fill. So as you can see, we had this quarter fill, but this quarter fill almost took multiple years. We came and had a quarter bounce, which also almost took a lot of years. So that's why I say you have to be more serious with the technicals, because when you come on monthly, you also get a different picture, whereby you see inside the quarter we had also many technicals, a very perfect monthly fill here. If I'm to use my gun box, sorry, I'll show you that here we had this, and if I'm to have some nice settings by removing all this, yep. So we'll see how our gun box will be. And so it means here we had the very perfect rejection. So someone will say, what if I come on to daily? From 1 month, I come to daily, I get that good OP of daily, and I swing this price low. You swing it low, recover all the highs, 180 pips, and you say you're swinging it low, come and fill this. Yes, that has no problem. But the biggest question is, this is 12%, 1 to 12. 112 would have taken, let me say, 1 day, Feb to September. It would have taken the whole year just for you waiting for 1 to 12. So sometimes the particular swing you always want sometimes might not be the best option. Yes, because getting one trade in 7 months, and when it is giving 112, let's say you're trading a prop firm, it means you will never make money. This 112 spreads can take it from you. Unless you risk 10% here for 120%, still spreads will take almost 40% of the outcomes of your price. Those are saying I'm not live, those are saying I'm not clear on TikTok, you can go to my YouTube channel. I'm live on YouTube, just I'm trying to share this on TikTok. Yep. So at Gbpusd, so you can find me, and we all dive into the technicals. At Gbpusd, so you can find me, and we all dive into the technicals. Yes. So having a weekly picture, you see we have a weekly point of interest below. Nearby, and when you go to daily, see you will say you have another point of interest within, and the above point of interest was filled. I discussed all this yesterday. Those who were on my live, I discussed all this yesterday, and today you all saw that. So this is our daily, not filled, but before that we had well volume of daily, a good volume of daily, and a daily OB. So it means our biggest target is longs to come and fill this. So when you go into the lower time frame 4 hour, you will find your nearby OB is this, and here you all have the volume filled. So what do you expect? There are two things. It's either you expect a very good OB here to give you this or a break of structure and retest, and you go. So if you go for this OB, it means to be too wide, and your target will be here 1 to 4. It means you're taking one of the hardest options. That's 30 minutes. What if you consider a 15-minute time frame? Still the same story. Just at the 15-minute time frame will give you a structure break, a retest, which is added into a loss, another structure break, and a retest the previous day, which will give you this. While expecting 10%. But that's GU for you. And that's GU for you. So that's why I didn't do this, because first and foremost, some of my entries here now happen to Asia. Yeah, so I see like now this is Tokyo. I would come mark this and this, and I do understand but that this is my Tokyo, and this is my Tokyo. So now I'm looking for entries out of Tokyo, and this was also my Tokyo. So which means this trade looked valid, and this trade also was valid, and my next target was this bank 5%, which was hit. After one loss, I got 5% and then withdraw. Now let's try and see at EU what is happening at EU. So EU, we have this structure. We go this OB, go to good structure break. Today we had this structure. So after this good structure break, it means we had to fill this, and we pumped down for 3%, and bang, we have it. So that's it when it comes to EUGU, the analysis that I'm sharing live on YouTube. I'm sharing live on YouTube. So if on TikTok it isn't clear, what you have to do is come on YouTube at Gbpusd. At Gbpusd on YouTube, we are very live now, and I'm sharing one of the most secret and very secretive and expensive strategies. So what of EG? EG, I will first look onto my weekly. So e.g. my week is like it's a little bit funny, and I'll come to my daily, it was well tapped. I'll come to my 4 hour, it was well tapped. So within the 4 hour, that's where I will try to find this a long position. So a long position sparked off here, giving us all the confluences with. So after that, I will drop to my 1 minute. So I didn't get an entry tapping, so there I would just avoid that, and I would look into my next day. This is Tocho. Go back onto my 4 hour time frame. See, we are now into this, so we are looking for shorts now after filling this OB and having these high wicks. And when I go into my daily, well, nice field volume, those are wicks. Wicks are always nice. So I'll look for a nearby OB, of which I don't have, on 15 minute. Yup. So no OB, that was, and this is a minor session, I can't take it, so which means I'll wait for price to come back into this OB, and that's where I'll pull off my longs from. So that's it, we'll catch up the next day. That's it. So it means we missed this setup, and now we are looking for shorts, of which the 15-minute time frame is confirming us that our next possible short will result of here, targeting 1 to 3, targeting 1 to 3. Yep. So that is our next possible short. So understanding this technical, it's not by mistake, it's by hard work. Yep. Same thing here. You see our USD card. Why I took this is because of this structure break before the entry point, which gave us a very good one to 3 coming through this area, almost 1 to 12. Our next 4 hour OB is where? Bank. Obviously this marking 1 to 12. A very, very, very fantastic trade. Same way we took this short basing on our daily, in a daily OB, then we came to come and fill this 24%. So you may not take all the 24 because of some reasons, but I promise you, once you follow this, everything will work out. Everything will work out once you follow this. You can also consider session, so that when price gives you 1 minute structure and it is within the sessions, you don't miss. So let's see now. We tapped, we block this structure if this OD came. Here's a digit Y with our 20 pip stop loss. Bam, 4%. So that's it, and that's my live for today. We shall add on next time. Thank you.